Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ishwarya. I do videos on lifestyle, beauty and travel and just anything and everything that I like. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe before you leave. And if you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna like most of my videos. So stay and subscribe. So if you guys are not following me on my social media, I'm interested in seeing what I do on a daily basis. Follow me on my social media. Anyway, today's video is going to be a Nykaa haul. Nykaa just had its hot pink sale, if I'm not wrong, and I bought some stuff, and I also bought some stuff just before the sale because I did not know that there was going to be a sale. So this is the collective haul, so I thought why not share with you guys what I bought, show you how they are so that you guys can get to know about some new products. Also, if you do shop, make sure you keep your products out for at least more than 48 hours and then sanitize the whole thing, sanitize the product from inside too, and then use it. Please be careful, precaution is better than cure. Anyway, we're gonna get started with the haul. Okay, so the first thing that I can see here is become one of my favorite things, which is the Vaseline aloe vera gel. I did not know that Vaseline does aloe vera gel, and especially just for 100 rupees. It's just for 100 rupees and it's 150 grams. So yeah, this is the Vaseline aloe vera gel. I use it before shaving or just to moisturize my skin when I don't want to apply a really heavy moisturizer. So yeah, the first thing is the Vaseline aloe vera gel. In the skincare category only, I bought the Pond's Super Light Gel. I've been seeing a lot of this on social media. I'm sure you guys must have also seen, and I was really excited to try it because the texture is perfect for the humidity, now in the rainy season. So I wanted to try this out, so I bought the Pond's Super Light Gel. Yeah, the Super Light Gel, which is the oil-free moisturizer. The smell is so good. Like, the smell is very calming and very nice. So the thing that I bought is the Palmer's coconut body oil. I was very interested in buying a body oil because I have never used a body oil before. I just feel like they're very greasy, but I thought why not try once, and this was also on sale. So it smells so good. I love the coconut vanilla smell, you guys know that. And I'm just gonna try it out a little bit and how my skin is looking. I've seen when you apply body oil, your skin just tends to look much more, oh my god, can you see the difference between here and here? Like, your skin just glistens and the smell is so good. See how healthy my skin is looking here and see my skin here. So yeah, I'm super excited and I already know I'm gonna like it. The thing that I bought is something that I wanted to buy for a long time, which is the Miss Claire eyebrow cake. Now this has 4 shades and I use this and this shade, and this shade not much because I don't know how that can be used, but the pigmentation and the quality is so good. Very dark, it does not move, and the brush that they give with it is very nice. It's very thin. I'm not able to find a really good eyebrow brush. I've been on the hunt. I tried the Faces one, but that's not nice. For your brows you need a really thin, precise brush. So this brush is really nice. I'm going to show you. It comes with a brush like that, and the brush is really thin and really nice. That is the Miss Claire eyebrow cake, and I'm already really loving it. I bought only one thing for my hair, which is the Schwarzkopf. I hope I'm saying it right. Schwarzkopf. Just tell me if I'm saying it right. This is the Spa Essence Enriching Hair Spa. Yeah, enriching cream mask. I love doing masks at home. So this was also on sale and it's a huge dabba. It's gonna last me a really long time. I thought why not buy it, try it out. I mean, I know it's going to be good, and the reviews were very good, so I thought why not try it. Now that we cannot go to the salon, I don't think it's very wise to go to a salon. I thought I can use this to give me a hair spa. Okay, now moving on to makeup. I bought the Smashbox Superfan Mascara. I got the mini travel one free with it. This was before the sale, not during the sale. I don't know if Smashbox is on sale or no, but I wanted to try this mascara out for a very long time. I've heard a lot of good things about this, and I saw that the mini travel size one was available on an offer. I just bought it. That is how the packaging... Oh my god. Okay, that is how the packaging is. I think it's a really beautiful hot red packaging, and that's how the wand looks. I'm super excited to try this out. I hope it works on my lashes. Then I bought a lipstick from the Nykaa Ultra Matte range in the shade Frida. It's a really beautiful fresh red color. I wanted to do a makeup look for my Instagram, a really fresh summery makeup look, and I wanted a red color which has orange and pink tones in it. Thought this was a good lipstick. I'll swatch it here for you guys. That is wow. That is beautiful. That is how Frida looks, and the quality is so good. Want to see short makeup looks, stuff like that, follow me on my Instagram. A shameless plug in there. Then I bought the Plunge O3 foundation stick, but in a dark color, which is Truffle Flash. It is 05 Truffle Flash. Now I again bought this to contour and bronze because I wanted to try a cream bronzer out, and that is how it looks. It's a little too cool tone than what I expected it to be. I wanted it to be a little bit more warm. I think it'll be good for contouring. And in the same lines, K Beauty was on sale, the hot pink sale, and I bought 3 things from K Beauty. Because this was very cool tone and I wanted something warm, I bought the K Beauty contouring stick in Caramel Focus. It's a beautiful warm brown color and it blends beautifully. Just make sure don't use a sponge with it, use a brush. I think I also mentioned this in my Raksha Bandhan video. It's a beautiful color. Can you see how cool toned that is and how warm that is? I love a very warm bronzer. I don't like contouring that much. I don't think I ever contour. But yeah, I'm really happy about this. So this is Caramel Focus, the contouring stick from K Beauty. Then I bought 2 eyeshadows. I bought the matte eyeshadow in Plush. It's such a beautiful pink shade. The Raksha Bandhan video had a lot of glitches in it. That's why, the eyeshadow didn't work out really well because I thought that the other one would be visible. But I'll show the color to you guys here. Can you see how pretty that shade is? The perfect mix between brown and pink. That is how Plush looks. Such a beautiful shade. Looks beautiful. I think if you're planning to buy an eyeshadow stick, buy this color, which is Plush. And the other color which is not visible in the Raksha Bandhan video is Blushed Moonlight. Even this is a very beautiful color, but it was not visible on Plush. That is how Blushed Moonlight looks. Beautiful rose gold metallic shade. So blendable. It's just very beautiful. It was just not visible on that because I expected it to be a little light. Those are the 3 things that I bought from K Beauty. We're reaching the end of the haul. The next thing that I bought is the Maybelline Sensational Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Made Easy. I thought this was going to be a neutral nude color, but it's a really reddish orangish color. So if you're anywhere near my skin tone, this won't be a nude on you. I'll show it to you guys. That is how Made Easy looks. Can you see? It's a proper reddish, brickish reddish color. I thought it was going to be a nude as you saw in the Raksha Bandhan video, but nonetheless, it's a very beautiful color. It'll suit all skin tones without doing anything. A very beautiful color. Last thing for this haul is the Kiko Milano Flawless Fusion Bronzer in the shade 06 Sienna. I love this bronzer so much. I've always been on the hunt for a really beautiful warm tone bronzer, and just the packaging is so beautiful. It's so luxurious and just amazing. I also want to try the Physicians Formula bronzer. I've heard a lot of good things about it. That is how the bronzer looks. Now I know you'll think that it's so light, it won't be visible, but no, it is visible. If you can see, I have applied this bronzer today. It's all hidden by the blush, but this is a beautiful bronzer. It was also on sale, so I picked it up. And that's that for the haul. I really hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. Also, if you like my videos, share it with everyone. I really want this community to grow. I want us to grow as a family. So if you like my video, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with everyone. If you want me to do any particular kind of a video, please mention your ideas in the comments down below. And I'm gonna catch you really soon in my next video. Until then, bye.